over there, that's the Trump plane with the North American style flag from North American Airlines. There it is. Okay, we have the Iceland Air 757 arriving in the 100 Years Independence livery. What a cool aircraft. Never seen it before, and now I get to see it. Oh, there it is right there. It's right there, right behind this United 777. Look at it. And over here at this window we have a UPS MD-11 and some 767, which I assume will be painted in the Prime Air livery. Now we have the Porter Dash 8 arriving behind this United 777. And there it is right there. I have also never seen this plane before, so it's really cool to see it. Look at it. And there it goes. And there it is, the British Airways Dreamliner. And this is the arrival of that abnormally sized. And you can see it, and there's the Porter Dash 8. Wow, this is a fast pushback. Fast pushback.
It's okay. I'll wait. I feel bad. Thank you, though.
We're just more waiting for this order to get back to the restaurant. The group here from the restaurant. Yeah, this is one. That's right.
We also have a FedEx plane landing right there. And now here's the UPS MD-11. See it right there. Again, I've never seen this plane before. And now over here we have this United 777 about to arrive into these gates. So we're gonna capture that. And now the guy's hopping out of the tug. He's gonna guide the plane in. And nothing is happening. The guys, I assume, is gonna guide the plane in. This co-driver in the tug.